guys, it's Alan here from Lookers in Ellesmere Port. Today's very special video for me. It's the first video where someone has requested what we do in the video. So we've had an email from Mr. Piers from Wrexham just asking a simple question: is how does he pair his iPhone up to his Insignia Grand Sport? So to do that, we're going to need an Insignia Grand Sport, and we happen to have two in the showroom. So we're in this one, which is the Insignia design. If this is your first visit to our channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video, please let us know in the comments below. Okay, the Insignia Grand Sport has IntelliLink, which is pretty much the same system you'll find on the Vauxhall range. Whether it's a Mocha or a Corsa, Astra or a Grandland, the pairing works the same. So let's show you how to do it. First, I need to activate the Bluetooth on the iPhone. That's in the settings page like this. Now, we're going to need to go into the settings page on the IntelliLink and tap connectivity settings. As you can see, there is an option to search device. You can then pair with either the IntelliLink or the iPhone. As you can now see, Vauxhall IntelliLink has appeared at the bottom of the iPhone. I'm now going to pair them by selecting it. This has brought up a message on both the IntelliLink screen and the iPhone, showing a pairing code. Just make sure both match, click yes, and the IntelliLink and the iPhone are now paired. Finally, on the iPhone, the pairing asks, do you wish to allow your contacts and favourites to be synced? I'll click yes to this. You're now finished with your iPhone. You can lock it and you can put it away. Okay, back to the IntelliLink. Now press the phone button under the screen, as you can see here, and a new page will appear with the keypad, contacts and call history. This indicates that the iPhone and the IntelliLink are paired and ready to use. Now you can search for your contacts via the phone book, calls list, or if you know the number, you can type it into the touchpad. And that's it. You're now paired and ready to make calls, receive calls, just via the Bluetooth, anytime you're on the move. So there we go. That's how to pair up your iPhone to your Insignia Grand Sport. Thank you, Mr. Pierce, for your question. Thanks you guys for watching, and we'll see you again. We're offering 3 people a chance to come to Lookers Ellesmere Port to win a 3-hour test drive in one of the 3 new cars Vauxhall are releasing this year. The cars are the Corsa, the Corsa-e, and the Grandland X Hybrid 4.
For your chance to win this amazing prize, all you need to do are 3 things. Simply like one of our videos, subscribe to the Lookers Ellesmere Port YouTube channel, and comment below one of the videos that you've done so. This will put you into the prize draw to be one of the first people to come and drive one of these 3 amazing new cars.